Hello friends, I am Dr. Richa Sharma, Assistant Professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Punjab University, Patiala. Today, in this video, I am discussing with you the steps of online admission at Punjab University, Patiala for the session 2020. Here I am talking about the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, in which it has two BTech programs. One is Electronics and Communication Engineering and another one is Electronics and Computer Engineering, and master's program MTech in Electronics and Communication, which is regular and part-time both, and it is also having the PhD program for regular and part-time. As you all know, the Punjab University got 64 rank in NIRF and A grade in NAC. So starting with the steps for online admission, first of all, go to the Punjabi University website, which is punjabiuniversity.ac.in. Here you are seeing the many icons on the right side of my screen: admission notice, admissions 2020, NIRF 2020, placement, semester fee, payment slip, admission 2020, external centers. Either you click on the admissions 2020 or you directly go to the pupadmissions.ac.in. When you click on this web page is open. In this you are having these icons: home, staff login, student login, application form, handbook, important links, contact us, and many more. uh, if you want to download the application form, you can go here. Here is the student dashboard login. A student have to create his or her login ID. Then if you are going through the handbook, then you have to click on this handbook and important links. As I go through the website, this web page, these are the important links, important guidelines, then online admission form. These are the steps which are given for how to fill the online application form. I will give you the demonstration how to fill the online form. This is the application processing fee. Application fee without late fee for different type of courses is as follows. Courses in which admission is without entrance, it is 1000 for general category and 700 for SC and ST students. And for BTech programs, 4 years, CSC, ECE, ECM, ME, Civil, it is 2000 for general students and 1400 for SC and ST students. And also important checklist is also given. When you are filling your online application, these are the documents which are required. One is the date of birth certificate, DMC of all examinations, character certificate, the institute last attended, gap certificate if you are having any gap between your studies, necessary certificate from employer if you are working somewhere, residence or domicile certificate, then certificate for availing the benefit of a reserve category additional seat, then any other document supporting your candidature as per university online admission brochure. So these are some few things which are given on the web page. So I am showing you the steps how to fill the online form. As I am the new candidate, I here new user registration. This will open. Here select course where I want to take. As I am concerned about the engineering, so I select BTech 4-year, form number 18. Then select category, journal. Where you see the star button, these are the mandatory boxes which we have to fill. Then name of the student. For example, I am filling Bhavika Sharma then father's name LS Gautam, then select the category, gender female, date of birth any date of birth, so these things I have filled. Then email ID, if any email address you are having, then mobile number is mandatory 9501895500. So these are all the things which I have filled. I click on here. Now I click on register now to apply. So this, after clicking on that, this web page will open. Here these are the way how you pay your online payment for the online form, net banking, other bank, then card payment option is also there, credit card, debit card, then other payment modes, Nifty, then SBI branch charges, all these are mentioned. So when you click any of the option, your amount is reduced and your form is to be filled. So these are the steps by which you fill your online form. Thank you.